Hey, what's up you guys? It's Sunny. Today we're here at the waterfall of the summer at Castle Rock Trails. And today we're gonna give $1 million to the first person we see. Are you excited or what? Let's get on with the video.
We're walking. There's like no one here.
Yeah. It's really weird.
Yeah.
I've never been to the trails like after.
I know.
Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing?
What the fuck?
What is that?
Wait, that's cool. It's like a face.
Another shit.
What? Whoa, that's cool.
This is the face of the great ancestor of the Babadook.
Oh.
What? He just said, leave now or you perish.
Okay, we're not leaving.
What is wrong? You're being so funny, bro.
They got me.
Hey guys, we found this cool rock.
It's kind of steep though,
Yeah.
so we better not fall, right?
Is this happening?
Apparently someone died here.
I mean, the rock is cool.
Yeah, the rock is cool.
Yeah, the rock is really cool.
You wanna go? Why?
Because someone died
Okay. And multiple people don't have to die
fine.
here. I'm so scared.
My name is Grape and I'm scared. Maybe he's gonna die of malaria?
Yeah.
A mosquito?
Who do you think in this group would die first in real life?
Definitely me.
Yeah. I think I would die last because I'm the survivalist.
But you're also like dyslexic, so
But in
maybe
the
that would-
postmodern world, that won't matter. Okay. Let's go deeper in the woods.
go.
Oh my god. Look at this one.
Wait, this is really cute. It has like rocks. Ooh, that's scary.
Oh, it's a cute little chair. Sit
Yay!
in it.
So cute. Madison in her little nook and cranny.
I'm just sitting in the little nook. Just look at me go.
Yeah. Wait,
Kinda gross, isn't it?
wait, where's Grape?
What? Where'd you go? Great.
Grape?
Great.
Wait, where? Maybe he went back to the vineyard.
The vineyard.
Because he's a grape. Wait, no. So Grape
Grape is actually just
yeah.
like gone.
Yeah. But like, I hope he's back at like the car or
Yeah.
something. Because that's kind
We're
of.
gonna go get lunch after this.
I know. So he better be back. We're going back right now.
Yeah.
Not focused.
Whatever.
She's a blurry queen. I don't know. Yeah.
He probably just died. Like.
Yeah. For sure. Focused.
We're
Okay.
like lost.
Yeah.
I don't really know what to do.
Yeah. Like we just keep following the trail, but like I don't remember any of these like trees. It's
I don't
so
know where
weird.
Grape is.
Yeah.
He disappeared, and
Yeah.
I don't know how he could have gone so far so quick.
Exactly.
Because we've been here for like 2 hours,
Mhm.
and we're getting nowhere. Like,
Yeah.
We can't find the car.
Mhm. What was that? Wait.
Let me go check it out.
Wait, no. Wait, Madison, don't. Madison? Madison? Madison, where'd you go? So I'm just walking. It's been like an hour. I can't find anyone.
Riley! Riley! Madison! Where are you guys?